Okay, so we're gonna start here, then we're gonna end up by this pretty cool building, and I'm gonna I might put that one first, so we'll see. Anyways, we're starting here, so we'll see how this goes, but I'm definitely gonna be going that way. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are. We're starting at Albergue. Then we're gonna go up to this big, beautiful blue building. And this blue building is this kind of art exhibition stuff. Some of it's actually opened in 2020, so actually this paintings. What's that? Paintings. Beautiful. Wow. It's pretty cool. Okay, so anyways, this is where we're going to be starting at, and I did a film going up this street, so make sure that you catch that one. And then I did another one with Albergue, which is this one, so make sure you catch that one. So those are the two ones before this one. So if so I don't know where you see this one in the sequence of things, but this is definitely where you would try to view those if you can. So we're going to go up these stairs, and then we're going to basically go to this blue building, and that blue building is the introduction for my videos. So you're going to see that today. Western calligraphy. Let's go up a little bit higher. And oh, this one's closed today. This one has a nice little plaza in it as well. The last video I went into the Albergue, and I thought I was going to do one right here too. But this isn't the main goal, but this is something I wanted you to see. So now you can see how beautiful this is. Then you get up here and you're in a whole other world. So you got, you know, this kind of cool stuff. Of course, there's a park directly that way, and then there's a blue building down that way. That blue building is where we started, where it's always been in my credits, so we're definitely gonna walk down in that direction as well. So that's the final look for this one. And there's the blue building. I don't know the name of this one, but we'll see if we can find out a little bit more about it. And then I think we're gonna do a whole other video with it as its focus. So all kinds of cool stuff. Fantasia, it's a restaurant. Okay. So yeah, this blue building is the one I do in the introduction, right? So actually I thought I was going to put it in the beginning, but maybe I'll just leave it as is, because then you're going to see it anyways. And then I'm going to start another video with this one as the focus. Huh. Actually, I'll show you how I set it up as well. So we're going to do that in a minute too. But we'll just check out this kind of cool stuff around it. Apartment buildings. Pretty busy road already. And then we have this little parking space here, and this one kind of overlooks, and if you see way over there, you can see the Wynn Casino and the MGM Casino straight ahead. So that's actually part of Macau side too, but we're going to focus on this one. I think I'm going to end on this one. So if you want to see more, you have to stay tuned, because I'm going to be playing a video all about this blue building in a minute. Toma cuidado la